All right, you guys, we got some lemon peppercorn bites for the side of ranch. And this is plant-based ranch, you guys, made by Hidden Valley. Let's see how these joints taste. Lemon pepper corn bites, you guys. Dip it in that ranch. Oh my God. Lemon peppercorn bites, you guys. Don't say I didn't put you on.
So live your life. You steady chasing that big bar, just live your life.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make lemon peppercorn bites. But before we get into this video, you guys, I'm going to need you to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. So let's get into this video, you guys. We're going to start off by letting our corn thaw out and drain. And now you're going to cut your corn in smaller pieces like you see here. Now we're going to let the oil heat up on 375. Now once the oil is hot, we're going to place the corn in the fryer. We're going to let this cook for 3 to 5 minutes. Alright guys, they should look just like this. And just to be on the safe side, I did drop them down for another 30 seconds because this was my first time making these. Alright, now we're going to let the oil drain. Now we're going to just dump these right on the crisper. Now we're going to melt some butter. Use the butter of your choice. In this video, I used the vegan butter. Now you're going to sprinkle in some lemon pepper, sprinkle in some parsley. We're going to stick this in the microwave and let the butter melt. Once the butter has melted, we're going to stir this up, making sure that all the seasonings are well combined. Now you're going to pour this all over your corn. And we're going to add the same 2 seasonings again, your parsley and your lemon pepper. Alright, now we're going to shake this up, making sure that the sauce is completely covered over the corn. And yes, I did put my hands in there. They are clean. I just wanted to make sure that the sauce was completely covered over the corn. And there you have it, guys. Lemon peppercorn bites. Enjoy!